Who would have thought that boring walkways or driveways in your house will be an eye-catching part of your neighborhood? Transform your old, grassy, and traditional asphalt walkway or driveway into stylish pavers curbs. Interlocking pavers are the most cost-effective way in this new generation, giving your curb an appeal and more value to your home. In this generation, the use of pavers in walkways and driveways is so in demand when it comes to home improvement. Aside from the durability, versatility, and easy-to-install materials, there are multiple benefits that pavers can offer to every homeowner, or even better for parks or building designs. We're going to give you the benefits of giving your curbs a new look using interlocking pavers. Fast installation. Interlocking pavers can be built in your driveways or walkways as quickly as it looks like, at any time of the day, or in any climate. Unlike asphalt, that needs to harden and cure before stepping or driving on it. Durability. We always mentioned how durable pavers are because in one-time investments and some minimal maintenance, interlocking pavers can last up to 30 years. The high strength of the pavers allows for heavier loads like vehicle and foot traffic to endure different kinds of traffic, compared to the asphalt which required regular filling of surfaces. Therefore, when it comes to durability, pavers provide stronger lifespan, which is why it is the best choice for your driveways and walkways renovation. Low maintenance and repair. Cracked pavers can easily be repaired since every stone can individually be removed and replaced. And it doesn't take much time to clean, just simply hose down or use high-pressure washing to remove dirt and fast cleaning. While asphalt eats more time to rebuild and costs more than pavers. Unique and appealing style. From a wide variety of colors to different shapes and sizes, interlock pavers can give your driveways or walkways added appeal to your house, allowing you to express your artistic side and can create your own personal canvas. Environmental friendly. It is virtually maintenance-free. Permeable pavers provide an environmentally conscious alternative. It eliminates many of the drainage problems, like rainwater, which will naturally infiltrate into the ground. Conserve raw materials because you can just remove a single broken paver, unlike the others that require redoing everything. Winter weather proof. Snow is sometimes frustrating, but in interlock pavers, you can shovel, blow, or even plow it without causing any damages to your pavers. Besides, because of durability, pavers can also withstand any climate that will hit your house, not only with snow. It can endure heavy rain or storm. Safe and friendly for your children. Since interlock pavers are made of stone, it has a non-skid and non-slip surface which makes it safe to walk, especially for kids who love to play outside. As a contractor, we want to be more transparent with our customers and clients. We want to be more open about their decisions. That's why we also consider the disadvantage of choosing pavers for your projects. Pavers can be expensive with a wide range of imitating natural stones. Prices depend on the designs and thickness. Weeds, moss, and grass growth is the enemy of pavers because it can grow in the joints of the pavers as airborne seeds settle into the sand. It is unsightly to look at, but a regularly cleaned will be okay. Poor sub-bases can result in pavers sinking or misalign, especially for the pavers who regularly take weight car traffic. Paver is expensive, but some cheap pavers can fade the color over time due to exposure to different climates and ultraviolet light. Although paver stone is environmentally friendly because it infiltrates rainwater through the joints. This project requires installing a drainage system, which will be an additional cost of materials for your project. Even though it has cons of installing pavers blocks on your walkways or driveways, it outweighs the benefits of installing them. With the right budget and one-time payment that will last longer. Now, we all know how perfect interlocking pavers for your driveways or walkways remodeling. Why not call Spokane Pavers and Patios for your estimation so we can get your project done?